Okay, today I'm gonna make panda and bell fruit tea. So right here, panda. Show you, this is panda. Panda. You can buy this panda in the Asian market, Chinese market, Asian market, Thai market, but they make from Philippines. They plant from Philippines. But it's okay if it's long as a panda. It's a panda, you know. Just like go ahead, get this one, and this is a whole bag like this, and you have to cut and clean. And this is bell fruit, dry mak toom. India call bell fruit right here. Bell fruit, Thai and Lao call mak toom. And I'm gonna go ahead, take about 3 pieces. Put in here, make a tea. It's so good for you. You know the panda and mak toom, they all benefits. Oh my God, benefits. Panda right here, good for your hair grow. A lot of vitamin, all kind, vitamin C, vitamin B, A, B, C, D, whatever the vitamin is so good. And make a tea and drink. This is bell fruit right here, mak toom right here. Oh, look at the color come out, golden color, it's beautiful. And to make this one part like that, you can drink the whole week. They benefit everything. I'm gonna show you when I get done, okay? I have to boil it at least 15 minutes. Then I come back and show you later. Okay, the tea boiling right now. I let them boil another 10 minutes. Like 10-15 minutes should be good. Look at the, oh my God, look at the golden color. Look at that. And it smells so good. The panda, it smells delicious. So you can make this a big pot of this tea, and you put in the container. When you come home or you thirsty, you drink this one. For me, I don't even drink the regular water at all. I'm just make this tea and put in a container, and then that's drink. You know, it always benefits to you. Benefit any kind of way. So it's nothing to lose. Just go ahead and make this, put container and save and drink. Okay, my mak toom and panda tea finished because 15 minutes already, and look at golden color, beautiful, and smells so good. And I'm gonna go ahead, filter. Here's the bag, the coffee bag. You can buy from Thailand, Thai market, and only $2.99. And I can use the filter. That's what I'm doing. Here we go. Filter. Then you can keep that drink about 3 days. Depend how much you want to drink. For me, I keep the whole week. It's good enough right here. And left over here, I can throw away. But you know what? They're still good too. You can boil. You want to boil second round. Add on more water and boil it and filter like I do. Save it. But for now, I'm just go ahead, let it go, throw away. You can boil another time because still benefit in there. Here I have it. So just filter this. And good tea, good for everything. Kill the problem. Now I put the lid on. And I'm gonna go ahead and drink. This tea right here good for you, everything. The benefits everything. If you want to know, you can Google what benefits panda, benefits bell fruit or mak toom. Yes. Go ahead. Just have a drink. Right here. Good for you. for everything. If you want to know more, you can Google what's the benefits. Bill fruit, Panda. So make a tea, combine together, make a tea, and they're so good. When you drink this, you're happy. For me, I don't even want to drink about regular water at all. Just drink this one. Because it tastes so good and smells so good. And also benefit can keep you digest. Go to the bathroom is easy because beer fruit is already have like some seed in there. I grew up with this fruit. I know they're so slimy inside. And they smell so good too. Combined with Panda. Oh my God, it tastes just like delicious tea. You make on your own, it's not expensive. Panda leaves about $2.99 a big bag. I just show you early. And the beer fruit, one bag, $2.99. It's very cheap. You can keep it for a month. So it's worth it. Try to have a good tea and a benefits for everything. I don't think so I have to take any medicine for nothing. I don't take no medicine at all. This is everything in one for me. Hey you guys, if you like this video and subscribe, thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. See you next one when I come up.